So, my cat gave birth at 2 a.m. in the morning dito sa higaan namin. So, kinuhaan ko siya ng batsa para hindi siya magdalat. Nakakapuyat man, pero nakakapuyat talaga. Ilan daw ng baby ko dito. Tutulog. With my cats over here. Alas 4 na. So, kailangan ko lang bumangon para magkikip. So, pumatulog. Nigas muna ako ng talan para mamaya pag-uwi may kakainin. So, hello. I'm going to start documenting my life here in the province from this day. Wag na siya. Mas maganda ito na lang. At kain ko pa.
I create this channel a long time ago. Marami akong nagawang content pero di ako naging consistent. Sobrang busy ko sa trabaho at nawalan ako ng oras sa pangarap ko. Here I am, starting all over again. I quit my job in Manila. I get pregnant. After 2 months, I get a miscarriage and feels like I can't get over of anything. Alam mo yung pakiramdam ng walang usad. You're just weak and tired. So, nakapag-decide ako na umuwi na lang sa probinsya namin. And started to plant in our backyard. Planting relieved my stress so much. It became a hobby and now I'm eating healthy and living healthy life. Wala naman akong maiisip na content na magagawa ko dito sa probinsya. I'm struggling so much in storytelling and facing the camera. I started exercising to be mentally and physically healthy. Well, I can't think of any content that I want to make here in the province. And I saw the video of Teresa on YouTube. I started to search about cinematography, and yes, that's what I want. I started to be inspired to do the things that I love the most. First, I really love to be a photographer and a filmmaker, and I don't have the confidence to face the camera. And because of Teresa, I can be an introvert filmmaker. I spend a lot of my days at home. My biggest struggle is filming by myself because the only camera that I have is this old Nikon. But then I have a dream, so I need to learn more and to be patient to be a filmmaker. Here's to you too.